So we are stuck. We're not that much stuck actually. So there you go. In the app service settings, there are application settings. When I go to application settings, so it defines each and every setting of my application. It comes from like the version of .NET, PHP, Java that's running on my application service, or if I need the Python version. And if I just go below, so these are my application settings, which are around the web job storage, the boat ID, the application ID, the password, and the respective stuff. So when I typed the question there, so it gave me an error around the Q&A knowledge base ID and subscription ID. I'll just go out there, copy my subscription ID, go here, and type the value. And knowledge base ID, I'll just go back here, and as I told you before, this is my knowledge base ID. And I'll type in here as well. I'll click save now. And boom, it's done. So once it's done, I can go back to my test and web chat and type in some of the questions. Maybe okay. And there you go, it says hello. Let me ask it another question so that I test that my boat is working really fine. Where are you located? I say if you're located in Seattle, Washington. Where is your... Or maybe type, let me type in something else. What is your office address? And it says our office is located in Bellevue, Washington. Boom, it's working totally fine. So now what I need to do is, like, if I just go out there in channels, I can add any of the channel out there. So for example, the web chat is already running. Let me configure the Skype. So for Skype, what I need to do is like I need to just go through the respective steps here. Go to messaging. Okay, let me just keep it the same. Calling. No, I don't need not to enable calling and IVR here. So go to groups, enable adding to group. So well, for now it's disabled. Publish. Let me give it a strong description. About for a biz company in Seattle or Bellevue. And both side, I'm not having one right now. Category, let me just go and go to food and drinks. Publish a name and my email. There we go. I'll select United States English. Global markets. Privacy. Oh, okay. I'll give a placeholder URL here. Cool. And type in here as well. And save. I'll agree to this. You can read the general publication terms as well as privacy statements. It's always a better idea to read them. Not every time if you have already read that. And there you go. So we're done with this. I'll go back to channels. Let me search that. And if it's go back here, so it gives me a warning. So there was a synchronization problem. It comes when it like I would say the first time it connects, so there might be a synchronization problem. But once you like clear this out, so it will work totally fine. So what I do now is I click on Skype, and it'll move to a URL where I can like simply add this boat to my Skype. So I'll click on add to context. and it says open Skype and manage your chat. Let me skip this, and there you go. So let me type in hi, and it says, I don't know, maybe my application for UWP of Skype is a bit slow, and I'm waiting. Oh, it crashed. So there you go, it replied me hello, and let me ask some more questions here. For example, where are you located? And say if you're located in Seattle, Washington, where is your office? So it says our law office is located in like Bellevue, Washington, and Holla, or maybe hey, and there we go. So like this is our chatbot without writing a single line of code. And what I believe is like it's super cool for the companies out there who want to like explore, and the people out there in the company, which might be the stakeholders, or maybe the marketing people, or maybe the sales people, who can like train that in a better way, rather a person who might be a very technical guy out there in your company. And he might need to just develop a kind of chatbot like this. And now the option is like totally right up there, and you can do it without writing a single line of code. So there are also options out there where you can develop a bot using the code, and the more sophisticated ones. Right now we're not covering that, but in future videos we'll surely do that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and the complete series as well. And do give me the remarks about the video, what I can improve, and what kind of thing that you want to learn next. So post down in the comments of the video, and looking forward to have more videos and teach you whatever I know, and learn from your experiences and from your questions that you ask. So feel free to share your experiences and your questions as well. Till next time, take care.